Android speed as the topic is. Android is a robot which is designed to look and act like a human being, or a mobile operating system currently developed by Google. Most of all, a mobile phone device running on Android OS. In this video is on how to improve its speed in order to perform at a maximum efficiency. Watch guys, watch till the end. This is a vital tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notification of the unlimited guys like this to be the first to receive notification. I love you guys, and I love to give you the vital, the extraordinary, the special guide on how to develop your devices. Don't forget, click on the bell icon. Channel Gentle Shadow. What are the factors that affect Android speed? Because you must know the factors that affect before you can improve its speed, before you can improve it. The first factor that affects Android speed is storage. How? In installing main application without knowing the amount your Android phone device can take, affect your Android speed. The second is system update. How can system update affect it? System update has been the problem of Android device. It reduces its speed, causing hanging. It opens the device for cyber attacks. The third is CPU. How? CPU, which is the computer processing unit, can slow Android speed in many ways. Which is, the bigger the CPU, the faster the Android speed. The lesser the CPU, the slower the Android speed. The fourth one is RAM, which is the unlimited speed killer. How? When Android phone device is having a small RAM or low RAM, it reduces its speed by hanging. Subscribe and click on the bell icon, because we are now digging into the main event, into the main guide, which can help you improve it. Subscribe, click on the bell icon now. Subscribe and click on the bell icon. How can we make our Android run at a high speed? Or how can we make Android fast? This is for you. 1. Make your Android phone device have a good maximum storage space, even if you are an application addict or a person who loves applications. Make your Android phone device have at least 4 GB space to avoid reducing of the Android speed. 2. Make sure your Android device is up to date by updating it. How to update it? Search it on YouTube using your Android device name in order to have more inquiry, in order to be master your device, in order to know how to update it. The third one, research about the CPU of the Android device you are buying and know the quality of a good fast CPU of your Android device. The fourth one is knowing the RAM of the Android phone device you are buying. If your Android device, if you have an Android phone which have the low quality of these guys which I have listed, or which is low, or which you have already purchased, buy. What you will do to make sure your Android is in line with this guide, is to update your Android storage, is to update your Android and storage to have much space, like 3 GB space, and RAM clean all time, in order to make your device in line with this guide. Because Android have low grade phones, and also high phones which have mini space, mini RAMs, and also the processor which have speed of light. So if you are in the low part, this is what you will do. Thank you. I'm Gentle Shadow, channel by Gentle Shadow Video Tech. I'm here to help you guys. I'm here in order to give you guides in a gentle steps, in a gentle word, in a word of understanding, in order to impart a great change in you and your device. Don't forget to click on the bell icon, subscribe and click on the bell icon, because your subscription promotes my channel and give me hope in order to give you more of my videos. Thank you guys. Love you. Gentle Shadow Video Tech.